So anyway, what I was saying is, oh, look at that big crow. I don't know if you guys can see that guy. He's fooling my head. You better not poop on me. Anyway, I was saying earlier in the video, sometimes it's good to take a break, maybe walk, get the circulation. You guys gotta realize I'm 51, so I've been riding this thing probably since 10, and I'm on call this weekend at work, so I should not be riding, but this thing's addictive. Anyway, I'm filming, I think, I hope, I believe. If not, excuse me, there's always next time. A couple people call me a cheater because I guess I'm not doing it the old-fashioned way, but I work out pretty good. This thing's a workout. People don't realize that. It takes a lot of leg muscle to ride a long distance, and I want to be able to do some distances on this thing. If they ever form some kind of Olympics, it'd be great when I retire, have something to do, you know? Be awesome. Every now and then I get on this thing and I can't get my feet right. I have to work on the adjustments on the go in case I ever run into a dog or something. I ain't got time to, it's not gonna wait for me to figure that out. What we got over here, guys? Let's check this out. Yeah, it's still not a bad turn radius. I get a little wobbly leg. Like I said, I'm 51. And I guess that'll change as my muscles develop in that area. But it is a workout. As you can hear, I do have some respiratory activity going on there. So, you know, it's a workout. You still need to work out. Don't think that this is going to do it all for you. This is sort of like the ab roller or cruncher. It's not either. It's just something fun to do. But, you know, it takes a lot of hip movement and, you know, alertness, which keeps your nerves, it keeps your heart rate going, so which is good for your metabolism. Now right here I'm stuck because I got to turn this thing around in a very tight spot. Hey, check that out. I did it. You know, the more I ride this, the more easier it gets, and the easier it is on my legs. My legs are really starting to loosen up. I noticed when I first was riding it, I was all tense. And, you know, the tension, I couldn't even do this really, or get a good speed going. But now, man, this puppy are rocking. We want to go through this gate, and then we're going to attempt to go down this dirt road on the other side. You know, this is kind of like an incline. I did a King Song uphill test earlier, which came out pretty good. A lot of people run around this field. I rode my bike around it. I did an incline test time. Matter of fact, let's do it again before I go home and call it a day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this puppy around. So here we go. It's a little trail. It's got a nice little incline on it. And if it goes around the corner like I think, we're in business. I think this is it. Yeah, this is the trail. This is the trail that leads to the incline I was talking about. With the horn players there, we can make it. Well, the road goes this way, Carter. And then we go around, get down, with the dope sound, with beats playing, people over there exercising, no delaying. I gotta climb this hill like Jack and Jill. I won't fall down though, cause I got skill. Now, I do it at will when I want. Rhyming on a unicycle, yo, but I don't try to flaunt, cause I could fall, hurt my face, and everybody be laughing. It would be a disgrace to me, but nobody would care, see? But I can do it any way I like, and any way I like. I ride a bike. Did you see that incline? I like. I rode up top, now I gotta get into the bottom. Can't anybody out here stop them? No! Rock it to the beat, so guaranteed to hit it, yo. I do it fast or slow, rock it to this rhythm. Here we go, you never know how I get it. These are all my tried tracks I did before, cause I rock here, over there, and everywhere in the atmosphere. I can do it, so be clear. Listen, have no fear, so beware. Carter's here, with a rhyme rocking in your atmosphere. It's dope saying, all I'm playing, beats I'll be making. Kids in the park playing. I'm going the other way and getting down, right? Riding on the mic, psych. I'm riding the unibike, and I like to see you do it, cause there's nothing really to it but the break out the drone. I got my microphone and I got my unicycle, and this thing is on. Going home now cause I'm kind of tired. I make a couple beats and then I retire to the side. This is the dirt road I was talking about. All the rocks, they scream and shout. God's a good God, that's what I'm talking about. Break it down to the beat. I gotta roll the streets, but I'm on the dirt road, unique. But a unicycle, big biker, 18-incher, rocking everything from here to venture. I got to get down with this funky style. Freestyle now, so watch out if I mess up for a little while. But I get it back, right on track, cause you got it like that. Rhymes grew with the baseball bat. I wanted to go that way, but I didn't. And I fell off my skittins. Don't know why. Maybe because I'm rapping and I can't keep that going on. It's happening. Don't understand. I was on it before. Can't rhyme like this no more. Well, for sure, double pushed me off cause he lost. And the sauce and the cream, cause you're trying to destroy my dream. Step up, back up, get yourself up. Guaranteed to get you down and off your luck and call your bluff. Hey. They playing with the soccer ball. They getting down, kicking it and rolling it all around. With the sounds playing in the background, we kicking it on a unicycle, yo, getting with it, rocking to this rhythm and this groove. On this unicycle, I gotta move with the flavor, funky baby, get down. I rock the rhythm and I roll the bike now. I might make this, let you hear it. Then again, I think about it, the Death Devil, he feared. What I do wrong? Should I let it go? Let the people know that I can do a show? Maybe not. Maybe I'll just keep on riding my bike. Tell everybody out there, yo, won't you take a hike? Look at that squirrel. Do like he do, run for the forest. Get out, Gump. Let them make noise. Hey, there's another one. Anyway, I do all kinds of stupid stuff. Sorry for that, but I'm gonna go this way and then I'm going home. Seriously, I can't get off this thing. I can't stop myself. Unicycle man, puppy dog. You know, it's like you can't ride a unicycle and she go, oh man, I wish I had my camera on that. Let's get out. Kurt, what are you doing? I don't know. See, sometimes when you ride, you get a little tense, and that can be dangerous. You gotta stay loose. If you don't, tense up, and you're gonna crash it. Like I did back there. I was rhyming. I was trying to think of some words, and before you know it, I was off because I was trying to keep up with the beat, and I almost hit my face on the street. That would have been neat, huh? Facebook #1 for some. Would have hurt my ass though. Excuse me, Lord. I said that on the donkey, and I said that. Anyway, give the bass some. Let me get into the room. Guaranteed to do it because my bike goes zoom. Rockin' to the rhythm because I got a room. Guaranteed to hit it, yo, because I got a big boom. Rock, rhythm, roll to the punch. Guaranteed to get you because I do it a bunch. Rockin' to this rhythm and I cannot stop. Steve Green with a party. I don't know why your name came up, Steve. Because you need to get one of these, bro. Onward. Those are ravens. Like I was saying though, you know, when you get nervous, you get tense, things go wrong. You don't want things to go wrong, you want things to go right. So what you gotta do, stay calm and ride it. But the KS6 is Studio X approved. I love this thing. Let me have it. I want to keep it. You're not getting it back. I tested it, it's approved, and this is my fee. I'm just kidding. This is mine. It's sad.